The day after this storm, the President of the Republic, Nicolas Sarkozy, decided to create a black zone at Faute-sur-Mer and to destroy more than 900 houses. This decision gave rise to many debates and controversies. Many of these houses in this so-called black zone had not been flooded, or very little, and the inhabitants still wanted to live here. Eventually, over 600 houses here, in this area known as the Basin and its surroundings, were preempted by the state and demolished in 2012. Last summer in the Basin, 282-13-23-33. All these numbers that mark each of these houses mark the passage of firefighters the day after the storm and the following days. They wanted to make sure that there were no survivors or dead bodies inside. I met with Elisabeth Tabary, who was one of our neighbours, less than 200 meters from our house. Her grandson, Raphaël, died in her arms, as did her husband, Francis, right by her side.
Et alors toi, dans les premières minutes de ton audience au procès, tu dis le téléphone a sauté, mais tu n'avais aucun autre téléphone avec toi cette nuit-là?
Mais si, j'avais le portable. Non, je parle du téléphone fixe.
Fixe, ah oui. Et le portable, tu as essayé d'appeler les pompiers? Tu les as eus?
Non.
Alors moi, c'était mon mari et mon petit-fils. On a été coincés au rez-de-chaussée. J'avais 1m90 d'eau. J'ai pas eu, c'est pas l'endroit où il y avait le plus d'eau, mais enfin 1m90. Donc dans la cuisine, on avait juste de quoi respirer. De toute façon, les secours ne pouvaient pas arriver, c'était évident. Je ne me rappelle pas, là, j'étais dans le coma. Parce que moi, mon fils m'a récupéré quand il est descendu. Le bord de l'auvent qui m'a retenu. Et j'avais sa chatte qui nageait autour de moi en hurlant. Et c'est comme ça que j'ai retrouvé.
Just like us, and over 600 other inhabitants of Faute-sur-Mer, her house was destroyed. So because our house was at one of the ends of this basin in Faute-sur-Mer, we had to accept the sale of our house to the state and its definitive loss. What I hadn't realised yet was that, for a second time, I was going to lose my parents, who had died 15 years early, and whose memories, letters, objects, photographs I had been keeping in the basement of this house, very imprudently.